So good, you guys. In this video I'll be teaching you how to create app using Mobeasy. So what is Mobeasy and how you can get it? Just go to your Play Store, search for Mobeasy, and you get to this part. Then you install the application. It's a free to use application, though free to install. Then you click on install. After install, you just open it and take you to this part. Then you create an account like this. It will ask you for your email, then your password, then your name, then your age, if you're a male or female, and you just put it there. So I'm going to female now. Just follow my step. So once you confirm those parts, they will take you to where they will ask you to send you an email to confirm your address. That's where I am now. So just go to your email and get this confirmation link. So I'm going to my Gmail right now. So you see an email like this, that click the link below to activate your account. So what you just have to do is to click on this activate account here. So it will take you to a URL or website where you see this thing, activate your account. Say click on activate my account now. So I'll click on that right now. So now you see your account has been activated. So next you go back to your app, that's the Mobeasy application. Then you click on the done button here. So it has totally checked that you are verified. So next I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mobeasy application. So once you click on the top button here, click on that top button there, that's the menu button. It will ask you, you see different parts: the subscription, the favorite app, my file, Mobeasy tutorial, Mobeasy community, and Mobeasy back Mobeasy. So in this Mobeasy, they will give you tutorial on how to build your own app. So in this case, I will be showing the subscription here. That's the first one that I click on, as you can see. So currently I'm in a free subscription in just this new one I created. So you created 5, you can create up to 5 apps. You get up to 0.25 GB cloud storage with Mobeasy 8, 1 build APK per app and 10 page per app. Then the next one is for the beginner. You're going to pay 4,210 naira. You can create up to 50 apps, 2 gig, but Mobeasy will be adding 8 to it with 5 build APK and 50 apps per page. Then the next part is the basic. Then that's for 6,700 and 30 naira. Create 300 app, 10 GB storage. Then no Mobeasy 8, unlimited build, 30 page. Then you can also add startup 8 to this very one. Then the last one is the Pro, which is the best, unlimited app, 15 GB storage, no Mobeasy 8. And the best part is that this one I have an admin panel, as you can see. So for those that will be creating application for others, like using Fiverr or working up on Upwork, you'll be using this Pro version. But if you are creating for just normal use for Admob, the best for you should be this basic. If you have more, you want to spend more, you can go for the Pro, but I prefer you to use this basic, or you can also use the beginner, but you use it the basic because you are going to add your staff app to it and everything. So that's for the subscription. What type of app can you create with Mobeasy? What type of app can you create with Mobeasy? So at this front part now, they will urge you to add an app. Look at the app button at this down here. Add it down here, add button. So you click on add. That's to create a new application. So this is the part where you can add the app name, the app icon, the edit of your application, even your age unit and the rest things. So how to create an application, the link in the description below, you understand. So when you click on the link, it will take you on how I've created app using Mobeasy, like for the Poké or online games, you understand, music carbon, audio album and the rest. So if this information was helpful, do well to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop comment in the comment section. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for now.